Okay, so this area here, it's next to my sink, and it's supposed to have all of the stuff that I use all the time, but it's sort of become like a dumping ground, and I want to make sure that I am I'm going to clean it out and make sure it functions the way I intended it to. So what I'm doing right now, of course, is removing everything from the area. And I want to point out that, you know, to do a proper job, I probably should have taken even like the drying mat and all that stuff off and just wipe the whole thing. But my goal wasn't to clean this whole area. It was to focus on this one small area. And I knew it was going to be a multi-step process of cleaning the things that were there that are going to go back, and I didn't want to make this job any bigger than it was going to be. So now I'm just watching little figurines and things like that. I love owls, so I have an owl there, and I have another owl there. He holds my utensils, and I just want to remind you that when you're doing this 3S in your home, like, just focus on the things that are going to have the biggest impact on your everyday life, whether it's just looking at something and feeling better that it's cleaned up, or if it's a space that you use a lot, and cleaning it up will make it more usable and less of an eyesore. So here's the final look for today. Right now I am using this bowl, a small bowl, and the utensils that go in here are still drying here. So this is probably what it's gonna be like for the moment. And I still have my small water bottles that I use every day, so it'll stay here for now until maybe I clear off another area in the kitchen that might be more practical. But this one was a little bit of a heavier lift than I expected, but I'm glad it's done. On to the next.